guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. Today is another iPhone wallpaper video for March. Let's try to get some spring vibes up in here. These wallpapers are going to be more spring related, spring vibes. Let's throw away some of the cold and bring in some flowers and cute stuff. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys use the wallpapers. I always post them on my Insta highlight wallpapers as well as on Pinterest. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm popping into this video to say a big thank you to Wondershare because they are sponsoring this video. Wondershare came out with this new service, which is Wondershare Pro, and it's basically a really easy screenshotting tool. It lets you quickly capture any screen, make visual how-to guides, and gives better feedback and makes your communication more productive. So it's called PDFelement Pro, and you can download it for free in the link below. There's like one for Windows and one for Mac. PDFelement 7 is an all-in-one smart PDF editor, which is so useful for college students and for people that are working professionally. PDFs are sometimes a hassle. They're so easy to send documents, but then you can't edit them and you can't do anything, and it's all really annoying. But PDFelement 7 solves all of those issues for you, really. So you can create, edit, convert, annotate, and sign PDF documents on Windows and Mac through just PDFs. And it just maximizes your productivity. Now PDFs are never gonna be a hassle. You can edit any of them whenever just because you have this one program on your laptop. And I have a 70% off discount for you guys if you wanna get it. It's in the description below in the link. The promo will end soon, so definitely do get it now if you are constantly dealing with PDFs and would like to edit them using a quick, easy program like PDFelement 7. Here are some main features of PDFelement. So PDFelement 7 is basically a PDF experience simplified. So there's a brand new UI in there, which redesigns UI and icons. Super fast editing on PDF editor. It keeps all the original fonts and formats. And there's like word processor, which is super fast. And you can edit text and paragraphs, images, objects, pages, just, you know, do it all. Quickly, it performs batch conversions, data extractions. So it is really, really good with a lot of data. And it makes converting documents super easy. It converts PDFs to other popular file documents such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, text, images, and so many others. This is it. So definitely check it out. The link is down below if you want to get it. And of course, click my link for 70% off right now. PDFelement is a great Adobe alternative, and it's much cheaper than Adobe. Totally check them out. Anyways, so sorry for interrupting this video. Let's get back into it. Okay, so this is my wallpaper right now. It is pretty decent, but I'm bored. Also, while I have my phone out, hi, come follow me on Instagram. It's Jennifer-Biana, please and thank you. I feel like I've been pulling some killer vibes lately. My wallpaper videos, I always use Pinterest for a lot of inspo, so come follow me. It's just Jennifer-Biana, and I go through wallpapers here all the time. So this is like a secret board I have just for the use of this video. Oh, this one's really March. That's so cute. Let's look at like March wallpaper iPhone. Sometimes I do look for things like that. Oh, this is so cute. Maybe we'll do something with this one. Oh, this one's really nice. It's so basic, but it's so pretty. Okay, I think those are the only ones that I really liked. Yeah, I think those screamed March more than anything else does. Maybe this one. I'll download this one too. Okay, let's do this one first because this one is super March. So I love putting quotes on my wallpapers. Right now I don't have one because I only recently changed it. And I have a board full of quotes on Pinterest that I absolutely live by. This is really, I don't know why, but I really want this one. So maybe I'll download image and overlay them potentially because I really like that. So this quote says, "I wish you sidewalk pennies on bad days and the unfailing sense that things are just going to work out." I go in my app Photoshop Mix, and here you can overlay things. So I'm gonna take this wallpaper, and then I'm gonna take this picture, and hopefully I can overlay it onto here. So what if I cut out? Oh, can I make it like darker though? I want to make it lower because I know that the time is going to be there, so it needs to be like a little lower. I just wish that I could make this better, work better. Oh, that's actually kind of cute. Wait a minute. Oh, that kind of works out. Wow, okay. This is our first March lock screen. Oh, that's cute. Wait, I like that so much. Aw, so freaking cute. Oh, I like that. Oh, I can't wait to hear what you guys think of these. Oh my god, that's so cute. And also look, when you lift it, it is like so spring colors. Oh, this one's cute. A little coffee, a little sunlight, your troubles will get smaller. Let's do that one, because I feel like a little sunlight, like March, is like a little sunlight coming out. Okay. So I really like this app, Nichi, so I'm gonna try to use that one. It is so aesthetic. I absolutely adore it. I feel like I would want it on this one. So usually, like, I just like throw out whatever they had going here, and I'm just gonna change this was like, I can just do that. Yeah. Aw, they have a little heart here. I might add that somewhere. That's cute. Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna put with text, what was it? A little coffee. Okay, we're obviously not gonna use this text. Will get smaller. And I think I also like the quotations. It makes it look like cooler. And I really like, I kind of really like that. It's very simple, but very pretty. What if I add like the hands? I kind of like that. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's cute. Aww. That one's really simple, but really cute. I like that. And this one we won't have a quote. Because this one's March, right? And that's super cute. And then what if we overlay like this little pattern on top of it? It might be too much. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, that's so cute. Stop. Stop. That's adorable. I love that. That is so March. Okay, that one was really easy. But like, I don't think I want to add anything else. Like, it's so much cuter now. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, yay! Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed these very spring, very beautiful wallpapers. And yeah, post on social media if you use them, because that would make my heart happy. Thank you, and tag me at Jennifer-Biana. And yeah, all right, bye guys, see you soon.